Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change language in your Samsung Galaxy A06. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently brought this Samsung Galaxy A06 and you are wondering how to change language. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Samsung Galaxy A06 settings section. After click over there, you need to scroll down and then you need to jump over in general management. From here, if you decide to add language, you need to click here languages and you need to click here add languages, and here you can see there's a bunch of languages preloaded by Samsung. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to choose this Solvencia, and then it's saying to set as default language. So I'm going to click here set as default language. So my phone has successfully changed English to Selbutonia or some language. Even myself, I don't know that language. Actually, I want to share to something else. For example, maybe you might by mistakenly you had changed your phone language and you want to make it English. So how you can do that? So I will share with you now how you can make your phone language to English even you don't know that particular language. So anyway, first of all you need to find out the gear icon. So this is the gear icon. If it's in home screen, that's great. If it is not, you need to jump over in this all app section. Then you need to, this is the gear icon, so you have to click over on it and then you scroll all the way down and then you will find this is the general management or this is the icon. So you have to click over on it and then you need to choose the first one, and from here if you decide to add new language you can click this plus. If it is English is here, it's great. Otherwise you need to click this plus icon and you need to find out the English and you can choose whatever English. I am going to choose the English United States and then a pop-up going to appear. Do you like to set English is a default language? So we're going to click here the right one and then that's going to be set up English language. Even myself, I don't know that particular language I had before. So within this simple way you can easily change language in your Samsung Galaxy A06. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.